How to change email on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on email and wondering how to change your email address on the app, here's how you can do it. First of all, open up the email application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're signed into the home page of email, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile picture. From the expanded menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, select Account and Security. On the next page, tap on Login Email. Now, click on Change Email at the bottom of the screen. Now enter your email address you want to change to. Click on Confirm, and then you'll receive a 4-digit verification code sent to you on your new email. Go check your email service provider's inbox and type in the code as you received it. Once you do that, your email address has been changed. And that's it. Your email on email should now be updated successfully. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.